Office desk mats pad table protector 16x 32-inch PU leather desk blotters on top of desks computer laptop keyboard mouse pad organizer double-side desktop cover writing mat for girl kids gray white. Premium quality a perfect desktop protector mat made of PU leather material with durable construction. The desk blotter pad protects your computer desk, wood, glass tables from scratches, dirt, drops, stuffs, stains, and spills. Smooth surface, no cracks, curls or discoloration. Anti-slid leather desk blotter mats on top of desks. Laptop desk cover mat. Desk writing pads allow you write, type and browse smoothly. Gives a modern look and show the original beauty when place it on your desktop. Double-sided used leather desk pad 2-in-1 desk pad in size 16x32. Comes in different colors on each side but same material. We have 5 colors for choosing: black, golden brown, silver pink, gray white, navy blue yellow, dark blue brown. You can use both sides as your needs. Small, large, XL desk pad for choosing. Water resistant, oil proof and heat resistant, protects your desk and make the desk table protector pad durable and easy to clean. Simply wipe it with a wet cloth. Multi-purpose use desk mat. Use it as a desktop pad protector desk blotter pad. Desk writing protective mat for home and office, dining, kitchen, side tabletop surface protection cover, large laptop computer desk mat, under keyboard and mouse pad mat, pet dog food bowl mat for waterproof. The table cover mat, PU leather desk pad is a good choice as a desk protector or desk accessories organizer. Would be a perfect gift for women, men, girls, kids and co-workers. Keeps your desk tidy and in order. Widely used office desk blotter pad mat as a desktop cover mat, a great desktop accessories organizer to keep your desks clean, ideal for coffee, kitchen, gaming, children activity, craft, dining tabletop board. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.